Back now, 17 on set. Joining us this morning here, Dr. Ravi Patel with the Comprehensive Blood and Cancer Center, and we're talking about some new cancer treatment options starting to come out. I know specifically we've talked on and off here about pancreatic and brain, ovarian, and lung cancers. So some unique different types of cancers there. Good morning, Doctor.
Good
morning.
To see you. Good morning,
Welcome
Jason.
in. Good to have you back here. Let's talk about some of these cancers here and some of these new treatment options. There's a lot of big words on a sheet of paper in front of me here. You talk about biomarkers and stuff like that. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, you know what happens is cancer is a perplexing problem, but fortunately science and the progress in science is narrowing it down where we can understand it better. And one way to look at it is that, you know, how do we narrow it down where we can just target the cancer by understanding the genetic makeup of cancer, or what are the receptors or the antennas located on top of the cancer so we can target those. And we're coming closer and closer to that so that, you know, we can take a cancer like lung cancer, identify certain genetic mutations, and then just target them. Or find out which receptors are on colon cancer or ovarian cancer and target those receptors.
So you're saying almost like as if like different types of diseases, that maybe like the colon cancer has a different makeup than lung cancer, than breast cancer?
Very much so.
Okay.
So, you know, our body consists of roughly about 32,000 genes. But then when you go to the cancer, you can narrow it down to 300 genes, which literally drive the cancer. And lung cancer has a different genetic makeup than colonic cancer or breast cancer, and that can help you separate and target the treatment so that you don't kill everybody, you just kill the bad guys.
You're telling me about a big meeting coming up amongst doctors
it finished,
and
actually. It just finished. About 30,000 different researchers get together once a year and present their research. So very exciting new stuff, a lot of hope for breast cancer, ovarian cancer, pancreatic cancer, and also head and neck cancer. And one of the most exciting things happening now is that how do you rekindle or reawaken your immune system to recognize cancer cells?
Right.
And that also has been one of the major discoveries this year, where we can target a lot of cancers by stimulating the immune system.
We're talking about your own body maybe recognizing that instead of getting shut down by it?
Exactly. The recognition part you said is very important, because the immune system the cancer cells evade the immune system, but the new drugs help unleash the immune system to attack just the cancer cells, which were hiding in the past. So new drugs expose them, like we can see, and genetic makeup combined with the immunotherapy helps target it.
Very interesting stuff here. Cancer is such a fascinating topic, I think, for everybody.
It's an exciting one.
It affects, I should say, almost everybody throughout the country in some way, shape, or form. Everybody knows somebody who has had cancer or is fighting cancer, or they've had it themselves. So always interesting to sit here and talk about these different developments.
1 out of 3 people will get cancer, so we can see.
Which is scary, but that's why you guys do what you do.
So don't forget your healthy living, you know.
Exactly. That's why you guys do what you do. So
thank you.
All right. Thank you, Doctor. We appreciate it. Good to see you in here. Of course, Dr. Ravi Patel over at CBCC. If you ever have any questions or concerns about cancer in your family, good place to go here in town. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.